When we hear the term, end of the world, it often sparks images of apocalyptic disasters or extinction-level events. Whether it's religious prophecies, conspiracy theories, or even serious discussions about the consequences of climate change, we're usually talking about the end of our world, the human world. Climate change, for instance, has the potential to devastate the ecosystems that support human life and countless other species. But the Earth itself, the planet doesn't care whether it's hot, cold, alive, or barren. The destruction of our civilization is a tragedy for us, but for Earth, it's just another chapter in its 4.5 billion-year history. But what if we move beyond this idea? Could we go further and truly destroy a planet, not just life on it, but the physical planet itself? Is it possible for natural processes in the universe to obliterate an entire world? The answer is yes. Although highly unlikely, there are several cosmic phenomena that can theoretically destroy a planet. In this discussion, we'll explore how planets can be annihilated, what kinds of events could cause such destruction, and why this is more of a theoretical curiosity than a real concern. Rest assured, none of what we're about to describe is likely to happen to Earth. Let's start with the obvious. Humans are not capable of destroying a planet. Sure, with enough technology, we could theoretically render the Earth uninhabitable for life. But when it comes to physically obliterating a planet, scattering its material across space, that's far beyond our capabilities. Perhaps, in a distant future where science fiction becomes reality, we might develop the ability to dismantle planets for resources. However, natural cosmic processes are already capable of achieving this under specific conditions. The most straightforward way to destroy a planet is through a massive collision with another celestial body of equal or greater size. During the early days of our solar system, such events were not uncommon. In fact, one of the most significant events in Earth's history was a collision with a Mars-sized object, often referred to as Theia, about 4.5 billion years ago. This collision almost destroyed the young Earth and resulted in the formation of the Moon from the debris. However, even such a catastrophic event didn't completely destroy Earth. For a planet to be obliterated, it would need to collide with something as massive as itself, or even larger. For example, if Venus were somehow flung out of its orbit and smashed into Earth, the result could potentially destroy both planets. Fortunately, such a scenario is almost impossible. The planets in our solar system have, in the wider universe, though, the early stages of planetary systems are chaotic. Newly forming planets often collide, and some are completely destroyed in the process.